In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages together in Webflow. To get started, open your project in Webflow and go to the page where you want to add the link. This could be a button, a navigation menu item, or even a piece of highlighted text inside a paragraph. The important thing is to first decide exactly which element you want visitors to click when they move from one page of your site to another. Once you've found that element, click on it to select it. Make sure the correct item is active before moving on, especially if you are working inside a complex layout with nested elements. Taking a second here helps avoid editing the wrong part of the page. Next, head over to the right sidebar and click the gear icon. This opens the Element Settings panel, which is where Webflow lets you control link behavior for the selected item. If you don't see the settings you expect, double-check that the correct button, text, or navigation item is still selected. Inside the Element Settings panel, look for the Link Settings section here. You will see different ways to create a link. Since you want to connect one page of your site to another, click the page icon rather than choosing an external URL or a section link. This tells Webflow that the destination is another page within the same website. After that, click the Choose a Page drop-down. You will see a list of pages from your site. Select the exact page you want this element to open. For example, you might link a button to your home page or connect a navigation item to your About page. Be careful to choose the correct destination so your site navigation feels smooth and intentional. If you want the linked page to open in a separate browser tab, check the box labeled Open in New tab. This setting can be useful in certain situations, but for most internal page links, many creators prefer to keep visitors in the same tab for a more seamless browsing experience. Once everything looks right, go ahead and click Publish. This step is essential because your changes won't appear on the live site until the project is published. After publishing, it's a good idea to test the link on the live version of your website to make sure it goes to the correct page and behaves the way you want. That's it. Thanks for watching.